Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. I just want to say I haven't been making recaps because I've been focusing really hard on my entries, and I didn't want to get the stress of making a really good trade within the day, because sometimes when I think about it, I overtrade. So I've decided to take a break from making recaps and just make good trades every day and see how it goes. I'm gonna kind of practice my stop loss, my entries, and maybe make better videos in the next coming days. So sorry about that. This is Siren. So today I traded KSS. SRNE was in my list as well. I really wanted to take it long here. This 1250. Look at that. It rejected few times. So yeah, it could have been a really good long. 1250. Look at that. 221. You risk here. Yeah, really good day. And where it went, and then went back. Yeah. So that was the plan actually, if I wanted to trade SRNE, but I kind of focused on KSS. I was risking 2150, but max 22 or something. Yeah, I have lines there. So since this one went on SSR, I came in early because I thought it's just gonna drop like what it did here. At first, I took some profit here. I was thinking maybe if it goes over 21, it's probably gonna squeeze. So I was kind of scared if it's gonna squeeze 21 to 2150, and I'm so glad it didn't. So I kept adding because I was my stop loss or my risk was a bit too far, so I kept adding and adding. After taking profit, I had here, and yeah, it all worked. Let's watch my trade. As you can see here, market is about to open. There you go. I was closely watching if it's selling off. I don't see lots of orders. I took a little bit, just 10%, just a little bit, because I was thinking it's gonna squeeze. Actually, I have an order there, but I canceled it. I almost got stopped out. I said if it goes over 2110, it's gonna squeeze. So I was closely watching 21 area here, and I don't see any orders. There you go, it dumped. Yeah, that's where I took heavy, 25% off. Took another 25%. I was actually sending orders there, but I didn't get filled, and I said I'm just gonna stop out at high of day. There's another order there, 2050 area, 2040, 2044, and it's not there anymore. So I was kind of reading if it's gonna continue, because if yes, then I'm gonna add probably at 2090 area or 2080 area. Because I took most of my profit here already. So I'm still average at 21. What's my average cost? Yeah, 2092 now after adding. So I added half of my original position. There you go, because I really wanted to get the full move. There you go, took some 25% off, because it could just squeeze. Stock is an SSR. It's holding. So I'm watching closely 2050 if it's gonna break 2070. And if it touched 2070, I'll probably consider getting out at break even. There you go, 60. There's taking profit. That's probably taking profit. There you go. I like that candle. It got rejected at 2050. It's back at 2050. Let's fast forward this a bit, because it's gonna be a while. Come on. So 2090. I almost got stopped in there. So I wanted to get stopped just in case it goes and squeezes. There you go. You just need 20-cent scalp, 10-cent scalp in this one. If it works, it's probably gonna take profit again at 2030. I added more because it looks like it's getting rejected at 70 area. risking high of this candle. Let's see if it reaches 70. If it touches 70, I'll probably get out at break even, which is 2079-ish area. There you go. Took some more off at 50 because there's heavy volume every time it touch 2050. This looks like it's gonna just squeeze in reverse. Look at that. It's breaking the triangle here. So if it's gonna squeeze 2080, it's gonna be heavy and it will go back to 21, which I feel like it's not really going to happen because, oh man, there's always volume, as you can see. Looking at 2050 and 2080 area, we're very close to getting stopped. It's back at 70. There you go. There's selling pressure. You see that? Selling pressure, another selling pressure, another selling pressure. But yeah, it's heavy. So it's getting kind of rejected at 50. Oh, look at that wick. I think it's just I don't know, anomaly or something. It's not really, because there were no orders at 21. And I didn't get stopped, so that was weird. So it took some more off in there. Took some more off. So low of day is 25. Took some more off. Then I'll probably recycle at 2050, I think. I'm not sure if that's what I did. So while taking my profit, I said then there's volume. Everyone's probably taking profit here. I would consider adding at 2050, I think. Can't remember what I did here, but if looking at this one, I'll probably consider adding at 2050 again. Let's fast forward this a bit. So short add because it worked, risking 2080 or 21 max. So yeah, let's see what happens there. I'll probably fast forward this video. So low of day is 2022. As you can see here, 2022. So there's not much volume here now. Probably volume will come in again if it goes 2050 area. Let's go. Took some more off because I thought it's gonna squeeze. So yeah, I'll probably just re-add back. Maybe, I think. I can't remember what I did here because since I took most of my shares here, I didn't want to miss the whole move. I'll probably add. Yeah, that's where I added, and risking probably 35 now. So my risk is getting smaller and smaller. I mean, my stop loss is getting lower and lower because I kept adding after taking profit. Can't remember what happened here because there's selling pressure. I can really feel. Look at that. You see that? Selling pressure. It's here. So obvious. There. I actually want to take profit here, but I just didn't get filled. I was thinking of taking half of what I added. Oh, almost got stopped. So almost got stopped. So my max loss or average cost will be around 2042, or my stop will be around 2042. I almost got stopped. I thought I was going to stop here. I thought I was going to be stopped. So that's pretty good. So I said, okay, it's still probably weak. I kind of didn't like this candle, but it's red, so it's good. It's kind of a good sign. So everyone took profit here, I think. That's why there's a wick. But it's a red candle and it followed through. We almost got stopped. And there's heavy volume here, heavy volume here. So 2050 will be a barrier, I think. So here as well, you can see that. 2042 is, that's why my stop was somewhere there at this heavy volume here. Let's see, I'd probably fast forward this a little bit. Yeah, I took some more off. Yeah. Can't remember where because after this I said, okay, I'm just gonna put a range order and grab coffee. I'm done for the day. Fast forward, so it's risking 2030 now, but just where I added, that's where I'll probably risk. There you go. Is it going to break? Yep, it's probably going to break $20. There's huge orders there. Everyone selling, getting out. Fast forward, yep. Another order there. There you go, it broke. Crazy. So yeah, that was a good run. I felt weakness, so I kept adding and adding. Nobody's pushing it towards the VWAP. That's why I kept adding and adding. And I was just being patient with my limit orders. Yeah. And I'm thinking of just getting all out my last shares. I'm almost out my last shares. 2012 will be, I'm kind of like trailing stop this and add when it's necessary. So 2041 is my average cost, but risking just half of it, like in the middle. Let's fast forward this. I should have added here. Yeah, I should have added here. Stock was an SSR, so it's kind of hard to short the stock. Yeah, I can actually add and just risk my realized gains, my unrealized gains. But I didn't want to add because I just want to take a break. Yeah, so that's where I added the range order. Either which one hits, it's fine. There you go, 1955 is my order. I didn't put it in 1950 because sometimes it's the round number. It doesn't reach that point. There you go, got filled all out. And I think it continued. I was out of away from keyboard at this time. I was probably having coffee and watching TV. Yeah, it's a really good one. Oh man, there's still orders in there. That's crazy. Oh yeah. Everyone's panicking. Look at the orders. Boom. Crazy. And look at the volume. 500,000 volume. That's insane. Yeah, so that's about it. So that's why I decided to get out, because it's too far. Like, it's probably gonna continue. Maybe, I don't know, 30 cents more, or I don't know. Yeah, it's too overextended and too far from VWAP already. If you want, you can probably take a long in here, and that volume is crazy. So yeah, like super small, like really small candle with large volume. That's where you probably have to consider getting out, or probably do a reversal trade. Yeah, so as you can see here, 1950 reversal trade. Imagine if you do a reversal trade, it's probably gonna go back and test 20 area or VWAP. We'll see. Yeah, it was a really good day. A bit stressful at the open, but yeah, it worked well. Yep. So if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, and like if you like this video, subscribe if you like this video. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and I will get back to you when I have time. Yeah, we'll try to make really better recaps, not like over trading recaps, because sometimes I feel like my contents are just not that helpful. Maybe I'll do recaps when it's a good trade, or if it's a really bad trade or something that you can learn from. because I wanted to be better, and that's the goal. To move forward and follow my rules. I want to improve myself. I didn't want to get stressed about making really good trades every day, because sometimes I've been green for the past few days, but I want to make better videos, not like just random trades. Sometimes if I haven't traded, sometimes I have the stress of making just trade out of FOMO, because I just want to make a good trade, even though there's no setup in there. Yeah, like for this one, I really wanted to get in here before it reaches SSR, like somewhere here. Probably risk 21 or 22, not 21. Yeah. But yeah, I didn't do it. So yeah, that's about it. Have a good day, everyone. Cheers.